Hey there, I'm back finally. It's been a couple of weeks. I've been really busy cleaning the house and getting it ready uh, for for selling. We're moving, so that's been keeping me busy for the past few weeks. Just getting the house ready. So that's why I haven't done anything. So I'm finally back. I have a little bit of time and I thought I would try something that I haven't tried before. It's a puddle pour. Never done one. Um, anyway, I will be using the colors I'm using are white, acrylic, flow acrylic, Artist Loft. I'm using metallic black, Artist Loft, neon blue, Artist Loft metallic purple, Liquitex basics silver, and I added a little bit of metallic silver folk art in with the other silver just to use this up because it's empty now. There's only a little bit left, so. And I'm doing another thing that's different this time too. Instead of using Floetrol with my pours, I'm trying this. I found this at our little Curry's art store. It's medium and gloss varnish. So I'm using that. I'm using this as a medium. So anyways, hold on a minute. Okay, I'm back. My microphone just lost power, so I'm going to try and speak loud here right in the microphone so you can hear me. Anyway, so here I go. Okay, I just told you about this. I'm using this instead of the Floetrol. So I used about 1 part paint to 1 part of this. This is a lot thicker than other mediums, so I used quite a bit of it, and then I thinned it down with water to get it the right consistency. I did add, I know some people say they don't add silicone to their puddle pours, but I just couldn't help myself. I added 1 drop of this. It's called Got to Be Dazzling Shine Spray. It's got dimethicone in it, so I've used it before. It's pretty good. So we'll see. Okay. That's about all I have to say. So now I'm just going to try and pour as fast as I can here. I think I'm going to do 4. Okay. On the purple. I think I'm pouring too much paint on here. Okay, now black. I should pour with my right hand. That's what I'm used to doing. Sorry, I said I'm pouring with my right hand instead of my left. Dripping everywhere. know you're supposed to make it a lot thinner than normal pours. I'm not sure I did, but I guess I'll find out. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say what I was pouring on. I don't know exactly what it's made of. It's a board. It's not wood. I'll think of it in a minute. Okay, let's try silver. Press board or something like that. That's what it is. Okay, black again. Actually, this time I'm going to alternate. I'm going to put black there, black here, and a little more white here. I'm running. I should have made a lot more white than I did. That's okay. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, and I think I'll go purple here, purple here, and blue here. Now I've got to go white. What's next? Silver. Not sure when to stop. Looks like there's enough paint on there now, but not quite sure. Okay, I'm going to do more purple. And because I'm running low on white, I'm going to add blue. I know you're not supposed to do this, but supposed to have a white or black in between each color. That's supposed to help create cells, I think. I don't know, because I'm new at this. Okay, I have I think what I'm going to do with the white, I'm just going to just pour it on the outside a little bit. Oops. Looks pretty cool from above. Okay, what am I missing now? I got a little bit more black. I'm pretty sure I have enough paint now, but I don't know. What color should I put next? Okay, I'm done with that. Oh, silver. Silver on 2. And purple on the other 2. And I think that's it. It's already drooping over one side here. Okay, so now I'm just going to move it around. Way more than enough paint on there. I think what I forgot to do was put my finger through it. I've seen people do that, and I didn't. I wonder if I put my finger through it now, will it make a difference? Where should I do it? I don't really like the big black, or the big the big areas of color. I think I'm gonna have to just bear with me a minute because it's so much paint on there. I didn't want to stick this to the back. So I'm gonna run and get something here. Okay, so now I can put this on here. See if I can get some cells going in here. Not too many, even though I used that stuff. hardly any at all. Oh, I was hoping I would get more. Just tiny little ones, but nothing big, unless they'll come up later. Actually, I see one there and one there coming up. Maybe later on they will. So that's it, I guess. I will maybe just move it a little bit closer so you can see. There's really not a whole lot to see, but that's basically it. This is my first time. I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. Not what I expected, but it's different. Anyway, what I didn't mention was at the end of the video, I'll be waiting for this to dry, and at the end of the video, you will see what it looks like dried, and you'll see if it's changed at all. So, yeah. So I guess I'll see you once this is dry. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a good night. Bye for now. Hello, I'm back, and my painting's dry, and I just thought I would show you the results. It pretty much hasn't changed at all from when it was wet. Didn't get any more cells, didn't move, and it actually looks color-wise, it looks almost the same as it was. There's a couple of dark spots, like that one, maybe that one there, from the original, from when it was wet. So the what I used, the Curry's medium varnish gloss, actually did make it glossy. So I don't think I have to. I'm pretty sure I don't have to varnish it. This is it here. This is how glossy the final results were. It's pretty good. Anyway, I can show you a bit of a close-up of it. It's my first puddle pour. And I'm told from my friends and my two sisters that do pouring as well, that with puddle pours it has to be a lot more watery. I didn't add enough water. I had probably too much pouring medium in there. It still looks okay, but it didn't get to any cells, except for maybe one there, and one there, and one there, and one there. Very, very, very little tiny ones, but nothing really. So next time I will change and do a little bit differently. I'll add more water to it. Whether I'll use the same pouring medium varnish, I'm not sure. I might try it again with using less and more water and see how that turns out. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye for now.